Dr. Martin Luther King the night before had spoke to the Detroit sanitation workers. And that's where he first gave the I Have a Dream speech. And while he was trying to calm the crowd, Mahalia Jackson behind him admonished him. Tell him about the dream, Martin. Tell him about the dream, Martin. And in that moment, Dr. Martin Luther King stepped into his destiny.
We cannot be satisfied as long as the Negro's basic mobility is from a smaller ghetto to a larger one. We can never be satisfied as long as our children are stripped of their selfhood and robbed of their dignity by signs saying "for whites only." We cannot be satisfied as long as the Negro in Mississippi cannot vote and the Negro in New York City believes he has nothing for which to vote. No, we are not satisfied. We will not be satisfied until justice rolls down like waters and righteousness like a mighty stream.
I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
One day, right there in Alabama, little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands with little white boys and white girls as sisters and brothers.
With this faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. And this will be the day.
Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics will be able to join hands in singing the words of the old Negro spiritual. Free at last. Free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last.
I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear in the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak, this wonderfully clear, I rise, bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise.
I tried everything I could to look like you. I doused my hair in satin, lathered on tanning lotion, superglued fake nails, and started skipping meals. Now that I'm older, I realized I should have been asking myself, why? Why would I want to be someone that I'm not? Why would I want to change my hair? Why would I want to change my skin? The answer is simple. I felt that looking like you was the only way to be beautiful. But if everyone looked like you, Barbie, there would be no diversity. And diversity is what makes everyone beautiful. Thank you.
I am a black man, and I am loud. Loud enough so that my voice of my people might speak through me. Loud enough to drown out all the haters and nay, the sayers of my culture. Loud enough so that I might be heard over the gangsters and the cops, the gunshots you hear on my block that keep many of us awake at night, thinking, what if that was me? Me, lying on the cold, hard ground.
Nobody else can speak for you. Today, I encourage you to have strength, passion, and drive. I hope that you will choose to speak out. There are still injustices that must be faced and wrongs that must be corrected. I hope that you will choose courage over comfort. Then, and only then, will we complete the dream. Thank you.
I hope you've learned something. What I encourage you all to do is it's a bad word in our country sometimes, that's called think. As a man, there are things that women fear that I don't fear. I understand that. I have a wife, I have nieces. There are things that a woman thinks that I simply just can't imagine having to think. That is the same with race. I hope you don't take this today as one of those things, oh God, here we go complaining again. That's not what the flavor of this whole thing was about. Think about the man on the screen right there. His daughter was about 6 months old. The Ku Klux Klan came to his house, broke one of the windows and threw a firebomb at his baby. She's 6 months old. The brothers called the guys that did it, asked King, we got him. What do you want to do with him? You know what he told them? Pray for him, let him go. Could you do that? I probably couldn't do that. He said, if you're not going to let anyone pray for them, don't follow me. I follow Christ. Could you do that? What would you die for right now? What would you kill for right now?
Where do I see you guys at 50 years from now? what type of world would you live in 50 years from now? Would you have forgotten your dreams of 2019? Or would you still be striving? Would you still be working to make your dreams come true? Because dreams don't end. You can have the same dream for years and never do anything about it. Or you can take your dream and wake up in the morning and work hard towards it and pray over it and nourish it and surround yourself with like-minded people who will encourage you to fulfill your dreams. Please don't skip over that, students. If you're around people who don't encourage your dreams, find a new group of friends.